Good morning, class. Today we have a new student. Class, this is Noah. Please make him feel welcome.
He looks nervous. I hope he likes our class. Hello, everyone. Hey, Noah, wait! Would you like to eat lunch with me? Really? Of course. Friends eat together. Did you forget your lunch? No, I don't have one today. You can share my lunch. Are you sure? Yes. Friends help each other. Thank you, Ethan. You're welcome. This sandwich is very good. I'm glad you like it.
Ethan shared all his lunch. That was very kind.
I have never had a friend like you. Now you do.
Today, we will talk about kindness.
Kindness means helping someone who needs help. Thank you again. You are my friend.
Class, today we have a special partner activity.
Hey, want to be partners?
Kindness creates friendship. Let's read the story together.
The little bird is lost. A kind boy helps the bird. Great job, Noah. Thank you. Reading is fun.
Excellent teamwork.
Oh no, it's going to rain. I forgot my umbrella. How will you get home? I don't know.
Please be careful, everyone.
We can walk together. You want to share your umbrella? Of course. Friends help each other. Thank you, Ethan. Do you live far from school? No, only a few blocks away. Great. Let's walk together.
Oh no. Look!
She needs help.
Let's help her.
Ma'am, are you okay?
Thank you, boys. You are both very kind.
We are happy to
Noah,
help.
isn't it?
Yes. How do you know name?
Your grandmother's neighbor.
Really?
Your grandmother, the kind boy you are today.
I helped because my friend helped me
You
first.
both have kind hearts. Come with me. I want to show you. Please come inside for a moment. I want to thank you properly.
Thank you very much.
They smell wonderful.
My granddaughter and I bake them every weekend. There is something I would like to show you.
My grandma.
What, you know Noah's family?
My grandma always died me.
And now I know why you were such a good friend.
The world becomes kind-sided because of children like you.
This letter was written by Noah's grandma for her friends.
I like those words.
My grandma always says that at home.
I think she would be very proud of both of you today.
I'm happy we became friends.
I can't reach them.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You are welcome. That was very kind. I learned from my friend. That was the best, Noah. Mrs. Henderson's cookies are the best. Totally. And did you see her cat? It was so fluffy. Oh no, it's just a little kitten. It must be scared. It's okay. We won't leave you alone. I think it trusts you. What should we do now? First, let's make sure it's safe. Someone must be looking for this little kitten. I think you're right.
Mickens, where are you? I can't find my kitten.
I think we found someone very special.
Mickens!
Thank you so much. Today started with a rainy day, but it ended with many happy smiles. One kind action changed everything. My grandma was right. Kindness really costs nothing, but it can change someone's whole day.